Thanks for today. Welcome to exploring the JavaScript ecosystem. So, in this lecture, we'll dive into the tools, libraries, and frameworks that make up the rich JavaScript environment and understand how they can enhance our development process. JavaScript is not just a programming language. It's a vast ecosystem that has evolved significantly over the years. Whether you are a developer, a QA engineer, or an architect, understanding this ecosystem is crucial for building modern web applications. So, we'll start with Node.js. So, Node.js is a runtime environment that allows us to run JavaScript on the server side. It enables building scalable network applications and provides a vast package ecosystem via NPM. So, speaking of NPM, which is Node Package Manager, it's the default package manager for Node.js, and NPM hosts thousands of packages, libraries, and tools that you can use to enhance your projects, and understanding how to manage dependencies with NPM is essential. Next, we come to the front-end frameworks like React, Vue.js, and Angular. So, these three are at the forefront of modern web development. So, React, maintained by Facebook, focuses on building user interfaces with a component-based architecture. Angular from Google offers a complete framework for building dynamic single-page application or SPA. Vue.js is known for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a popular choice for many developers. Now we come to the backend frameworks. For backend development, frameworks such as Express.js provides a minimal and flexible Node.js application framework that gives a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. So, testing is another critical part of the ecosystem. Tools like Zest, Mocha, and Cypress help ensure our code is reliable and bug-free. Zest, developed by Facebook, is a delightful JavaScript testing framework with a focus on simplicity. Mocha provides a flexible testing framework with support for asynchronous tests, while Cypress is an end-to-end testing framework that offers fast, reliable testing for anything that runs in a browser. Next, we come to the build tools and task runners like Grunt, Webpack, and Gulp. So, Webpack is a module bundler that helps manage and bundle JavaScript files and assets. Gulp and Grunt are task runners that automate repetitive tasks like minification, compilation, and unit testing. So, JavaScript ecosystem also includes transpilers like Babel. Babel allows you to use the latest JavaScript features without worrying about browser compatibility by transpiling ES6 plus code into ES5. Let's not forget about linters and formatters like ESLint and Prettier. ESLint helps identify and fix problems in your JavaScript code, while Prettier enforces a consistent style by parsing your code and reprinting it with its rules. Finally, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static types, enabling developers to catch errors early during development. It is increasingly popular in large code bases for improving maintainability and scalability. Now, understanding these tools and how they interact within the JavaScript ecosystem is vital for any developer, QA engineer, or architect. Each of these tools has a specific role in the development life cycle, and mastering them can significantly improve your productivity and code quality. In the upcoming lecture, we will delve deeper into each of these areas, providing hands-on examples and best practices, and by the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of the JavaScript ecosystem and be well equipped to leverage its full potential in your projects. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the JavaScript ecosystem. Let's continue to build our expertise together.